Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and today I will be making, drum roll, as you can tell, some waffle batter. Yes, hold on, I need to set this camera up a little. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have my whisk ready, but we are not only making a waffle batter, we are going to be making the waffles in a sandwich maker. And the batter is without vanilla extract. Yes. So, if I can tell you my ingredients right now, you need some plain flour that I have right here. You don't need this much. I'm going to be adding a little bit in there. You need some salt, 8 ounces of milk. As you can see, it's almost 8 ounces. And you'll need some baking powder or baking soda, whichever you want. 2 eggs. And I also have a bowl right here to get some melted butter. I'm going to melt some butter in it. And you'll also need some sugar. Or you can use something else, like maybe brown sugar, white sugar, or some of natural sweeteners. You can use whatever you want. I'm going to be using some natural sweetener. I'll pop it right out of the cupboard. So guys, I got my natural sweetener. It is no calorie sweetener. It is called Splenda. Let's just place it off to the side. Got the spoon. Okay guys, so you will need a big jumbo spoon. And if you want to add it without knowing the amount, so you can also do that. Like without a spoon, I mean. Oh, this is not opening. Okay guys, so I couldn't open it, so I had to ask my papa to open it. Oh, this flour smells so good. As you can see, we have the flour in there. And I'm going to scoop out some flour. You need 3 jumbo spoons of flour. Like, get a huge jumbo spoon like this and you'll know. And if you want, you can use some white sugar like this, but I won't be using it. So if you guys want to use it, you can. If you want, you can use brown sugar as well, because I'm going to be using some natural sweeteners. Natural sweeteners are way too tasty. Okay. Oops, don't break, Mr. Eggy. You'll need, it doesn't tell how much it is. You'll need a whole spoon of baking powder. Not baking powder, baking soda. If you guys want, you can add baking powder and baking soda, both things, but I'm only going to add baking soda. As you can see, I have some baking soda right here. Pop it all in. We need 2 pinch of salt. Just pinch. Now you guys need to mix this all up. Okay guys, so now that this is all mixed up, you will need to crack your egg. Guys, I'm not very good at cracking eggs. And you need to throw it all in. Get out. Guys, I'm not very good. Look in there. And the yolk is all left. Ew. There was a chick growing in there. Strange. Guys, that was the most horrific egg break I've ever seen in my life. Now you can take your milk and pour it all in. Guys, I literally forgot to do the butter. Where's the butter? I don't see the butter, guys. Oh, here it is. You guys will also need some melted butter. So I'm gonna melt some butter right here. Okay guys, the butter's gone. This is how much butter I got. And now you'll also need some oil, but I'm gonna add that later. But first you need to heat up the butter. I'm gonna be right back. 3, 2, 1. Now the butter has started to melt. I can show it to you. And the heat is not very fast, but it's... Oh yeah, because it's melting, it's doing some crunch. As you can see. Okay guys, I have the butter right here. It is completely melted. And I'm just gonna put it in. Right here I have my whole mixture. So guys, the spoon wasn't working well. I had to shift back to the whisker thingy, doodle-doo, and it's going well with the whisker as well. Got to add the oil. No. Okay. So guys, I almost dropped my whisk on the carpet. Oops, that's too much. That's not too much. So you might need to add just a teensy bit of pinch of oil because you already have the butter in. But oil is important. It's pretty important for your waffles. So guys, this batter is without vanilla extract. If you want to make the batter with vanilla extract, go and watch someone else's video because I don't have vanilla extract, so I won't be making a video with vanilla extract. But maybe I might get vanilla extract one day and I can make a vanilla extract. Oh guys, and if you have a waffle iron, you can also use that, but I'm gonna make it more easy for the kids out there by making it in a sandwich maker. Waffle. Oh wait, what if I add some cocoa powder in it? Guys, what if I add some cocoa powder in there? Make these some chocolatey waffles. Guys, I know this is gonna be stupid, but I need them a little bit chocolatey. Just a little bit cocoa powder. Like, this is not that video of when I make chocolate waffles. I just thought I should add some cocoa powder. But if you guys don't want chocolate waffles, it's up to you. I'm gonna meet you at the sandwich maker station. So I'll be right back with you guys. Okay guys, so I'm here with my sandwich maker. It is right here, as you guys can see, or maybe as you guys cannot see. So let's just turn on the sandwich maker. And yeah guys, the thing is broken from here. Let's just tilt the sandwich maker towards you guys. So this is the sandwich maker. It's pretty dirty, but who cares? Sandwich makers can make waffles. I love it. But I'm only gonna make like 2 waffles, I guess. That should be good enough. Yeah, I think that's good enough. So let's just shut the sandwich maker so that my greasiness is ready. And when this ready to cook light turns off, it means that it's ready. But to you guys, it looks like it's off, but it's not. As you can see, it is on, and I can show you inside my sandwich maker. Ooh, it's hot in there. Ouch, my arm hurts. Let's test the batter first. Pretty tasty. Okay, I want to put the waffle. So I'm gonna take a spoonful, and I'm just gonna. It looks like that. So guys, I'm just gonna close this up, and I'm gonna be back with you guys when the waffles are all ready, and they will be ready in 4 to 5 minutes. It depends on your sandwich maker or a waffle iron. So guys, I'll be right back with you. And this wooden thing is not working very well. I'm gonna be using this. And since I greased it, that's why the waffles are not getting stuck. Oopsies, I dropped my waffle. Ooh, they look so cute. Look at this. They look so cute. And since I don't have any maple syrup or any other syrup, I'm gonna add some, it's a bit of a sweetener type thing. Let in, I circle the spoon around. As you guys are looking at this scene, I go like that on one wall. And the other one does not come up. Perfect. Are you done staring, guys? Time to try this good, yummy little babies. Oh my goodness, I am so scary in this video.